Today we'll have a look at the Euro USD, cable, NZD USD and USD MXN. And with no time to waste, we move to Euro USD's 1 hour chart. The common currency weakened against the US dollar yesterday and during today's Asian session, despite ECB officials signaling that the Eurozone has hit the low point of its economic crisis and could be heading for a rebound from now on. According to media, the EU is working on an ambitious plan for an economic recovery. Euro traders may be focusing on the upcoming release of the second preliminary GDP rate for Q1 due out tomorrow. Euro USD initially rallied and tested the 108.82 resistance line yesterday, yet afterwards dropped, breaking the 108.35 support line, now turned to resistance. We maintain the bearish bias for the pair as more adverse financial releases are expected. Should the bears retain control over the pair's direction, we could see it breaking the 107.91 support line and aim for lower grounds. Should the bulls take over, Euro USD could break the 108.35 resistance line and aim for higher grounds. Moving now on to cable's 1 hour chart. Cable fell below 1.22 in the early European trading session on Thursday, the lowest level reached in more than 5 weeks. The combination of a stronger dollar and weak UK financial data continues to invite the bears for the currency pair. If cable clearly breaks our S1 1.22 support level, then the next possible stop in our view could be the S2 1.2015 line. Even lower than that, we have noted also the S3 1.1815 as being a possible stop in a strong bearish momentum. Yet if the currency is to correct higher, it could initially make a move towards the R1 1.24 that was last seen on the 11th of May. However, we have also noted the R2 1.2580 last seen on the 1st of May, and in the ultimate bullish scenario we have noted the R3 1.2770 as a possible stop point. However, during the current month, May, the currency pair has remained in selling momentum. Moving now to NZD USD 1 hour chart. Please note that New Zealand's finance minister delivers a budget that aims to tackle the long-term challenges facing the country, while RBNZ's governor is scheduled to speak today. The US dollar moved higher against major currencies on Wednesday and Thursday after the market was satisfied to see US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell dismiss rumors of a negative interest rates. The news pushed NZD USD lower, bringing it to new territory for May. Thus, we have changed our outlook to bearish for the time being. During the Asian session today, the pair tested our S1 0.5972 support level, but was unsuccessful at breaching it. If the level is breached, then moving downwards the road could be set for our S2 0.5950 and even lower the S3 0.5925 support levels. In a possible upward run, the currency pair could aim to test the R1 0.6006 level. However, we have also noted the R2 0.6030 line and the R3 0.6055. Moving now to USD MXN 1 hour chart. For the US dollar we have already spoken, but in this case we would like to point out that the greenback traders will be focused on financial releases from the US on Friday, with the retail sales, industrial production and University of Michigan figures to be released. Tonight we get in the European nighttime the interest rate decision by the Central Bank of Mexico. The event could have significant moving effects for the pair, as it is expected that the bank will cut rates by 50 basis points. At this point, caution is advised. On the technical front, today the currency pair tested our S1 24.16 support level, but did not breach it. Low we have the S2 2402 support level that was last tested on the 13th of May, while even lower we also have the S3 23.87 support level that was seen on the 12th of May. From the support levels noted, we understand that the pair has been moving higher in the past days. If the upward momentum is to continue, then the currency pair could test the R1 24.34, which was also tested and retested in the past 2 days. The levels higher that we note are the R2 24.46 and the R3 24.61, both last seen in the first week of May. We hope that you may have found something useful in this report, and from all of us here at IronFX, best wishes for solid trading.